So let me maybe try to recover this kind of invoice. So right click on it, recover highlighted. If I click on recover highlighted, I have to choose where I have to recover the file to, make it a folder. If I want to make it as folder, I have to click on it, but if I don't want it, I click on like this one. This can reduce the chance of successful recovery. Do you want to restore the same drive? Okay, just click on it, recovered one file. And if I come to desktop again, I can be able to check whether the file I recovered is there. You can see now my file is already here. Do you know that you can use any desktop application and recover any kind of deleted files on your computer? In this video, I'll be showing you this application that you can use to recover any deleted files on your computer. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I'm using my computer. What I do, you can see I have my clean desktop, and also what I need to do, I need to come into browser in Chrome. You have to search for recover. If you search for recover, you're gonna be coming here below, and you can see I have this kind of cccleaner.com, and if I click on this download recover, it is gonna be also bringing me this or taking me to this platform directly. And if I am there, you can see it is gonna be showing me the download options, which I can be able to use and download the free version of it. And what I have to do, you can see recover highlighted. This is demonstration of how you can be able to use it, and it started by showing you the computers. You can see Microsoft Windows 74 GB or bytes. Now if you go at the bottom, you can see it shows you secure deleted files. If you delete files, it's kind of for buried files. Now you can come here and check this any subscription package that you can have. There is a free package. There is a advanced file recovery, which is a free, and so here you have recover professional package, which is the most popular. You have this one, which is advanced file recovery, virtual hard drive support, automatic updates, priority support. You can see if you can only buy this one for 24.95, and also if you go to plus professional plus, you have up to 3 pieces or computers. There's advanced file recovery, virtual hard drive support, automatic updates, driver updater, priority support. Now if you can come to CC Cleaner Professional specific profession, you can see now you can buy this one on over to 49.95 USD. What I need to do now, I have to proceed with downloading this one for free and show you how you can be using it. It is a free version. If you come to download a free version of it, I have downloaded it, and also it takes me to download area. After downloading this file, you can see they are telling me what I'll be able to do. Let me click here and download it. It's gonna be now thank you for downloading this file. So you can see learn the recover installer, confirm the installation, follow the installation instructions. Now I have to wait for it to get installed. Once I'm done with installing, I have to run my application to my computer. After running this application to the computer, what I do next is to come here and also be able to start the process of now also recovering any deleted files on my computer. You can see if I come to this one and try to search for recover, I have recover, and this is gonna be coming, search recover. Now this is the one. I have to run it as or double click on it. Now after double click on it, it's going to open here, and also after opening, you can see it is showing me my computer recover version number and Windows 10 plus 64 bits. You can see Intel Core i5. It adds another capacity of my computer. It is first of all identify which kind of tools are using or which kind of device you're using, and also now I have to come here and get started with the scanning. Let's try to scan the pictures, and also I have to come here, and this is a DC local disks, and I have to scan. If I want, I can scan documents, but let me scan pictures or music or emails. It depends on what you need. You can come even to the options and choose the actions. Now show files found in hidden directories, show or 0 bytes. You can also tick any of the options you need. Now drivers, you can choose which one you need. After you're done, you have to click OK. Now if you need to inform me the update on release, to also click on it. Now I have to wait a moment for it to process. Now as you can see, it is going to show me all kind of files that also are hidden on deep scan. Now what I need to do, I have to scan this now to get it started scanning, and also after it is done with the scanning, I will show you what will be the result. Scanning drive for deleted files. Now I only selected from local disk C, and it's going to be scanning. You can see it's counting 2%, 3%, 4%. Now let's get to wait for it and come back once it is finished, and I'll show you what it will be looking like in a moment. You can see now it is done with scanning already. Now if you have to check all these files, you can come or maybe on my desktop and see what is gonna be showing you. Here you can see I have these kind of folders. Let me try, for instance, deleting it. So if I delete this folder, you can see it is telling me that the folder is open. Let me try to closing it and try deleting it. So you see now it is saying could not find, open, verify the files and try again. So let me check now if I want to be let's proceed with the recovery options. Now after you have identified this scan, we can come here and check. Maybe let's say we need to be able to recover any specific file from here. Let me come here from and say maybe I want to recover these kind of screenshots, and it's 2026, which date? No overwritten clusters detected. It is showing me now I want to send me, it's showing me now the overview of the screenshot that I want to be recovering. You can see whenever I click on the file, it is showing me the preview of this deleted ADA thumbnail. Let's check. If I click on it, show the preview, and some show the preview and other don't show any kind of preview. Let me see any relevant preview which will be about maybe to get read or to be able to get noticed very easily. So okay, so let me maybe try to recover this kind of invoice. So let me click on it, recover highlighted. If I click on recover highlighted, I have to choose where I have to recover the file to. Make it a folder. If I want to make it as folder, I have to click on it, but if I don't want it, I click on like this one. This can reduce the chance of successful recovery. Do you want to restore the same drive? Okay, just click on it, recovered one file. And if I come to desktop again, I can be able to check whether the file I recovered is there. You can see now my file is already here. If I open the file, you can see now it is gone to the desktop as well. This is how you can be able to use this recover to recover any deleted files on your computer. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, remember to leave it in the comment section. Also remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Max TV. Also turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV.